Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see about the domain. In the previous lecture, we have seen about the type group. So very first, let us go towards the agenda first. We are going to see what is domain and steps to create a domain. So domain are the technical attributes of a field, and they are used to define an attributes like data type, length, and value range, where data types include character, integer, and decimal. And to provide a length of our requirement, I have provided here 20 characters, and the value range, it should be between 1 and 100 or A to Z, and we can link any number of data element with a single domain. So let us see the key features of a domain. It is consistency, reusability, and validation. So domain ensures uniform properties across multiple fields, and a single domain can be reused for a various field, and also it helps to define valid input values for fields. For example, here we have provided a domain with name Z domain example, with the data type as in character and the length provided within 20 within value range A to Z. This way the fields using this domain will automatically update its attributes. So now let us see steps to create a domain. Very first, go to the SE11 initial screen of a data dictionary, then select a domain radio button, then provide a name. We have provided with Z domain example, and then click on a create button. Thereafter, provide a short description and save the settings. So thereafter, then provide a data type and length. Basically provide the attribute settings, and then press then enter key. Then save, check, and activate the settings, and our domain will get created into a data dictionary. These are the very easy steps to create a domain into a data dictionary. So in the next lecture, we are going to see about a search help.